Hello guys, I am Mohit. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is the last lecture on geomorphology numerical, and after this we will take numericals on new topic. So let's start. The problem is the magnitude of drainage network shown below as per hierarchical classification is. Let's any drainage network, suppose that this is an drainage network. So, and what is asking? The magnitude of drainage network. So magnitude is asking, and we know what is magnitude. Magnitude is nothing but number of first order stream. So magnitude equal to number of first order stream. So if we give numbering on this drainage network, so this is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, and this is also 1. So how many first order stream? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total is 8 number of first order stream. So magnitude will be 8. Now let's second problem. Second problem is drainage network of a watershed order as per Straw-Heller method is given below. Maximum observed bifurcation ratio for the given network is. So this is an drainage network. So first we have to give numbering. This is first, this is 1, 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 and this is also 1. Then this one and this one stream is meet on this point, so it will be second order. So this is 2 and this 1, so again this is second order. Now this is first order and this is first order, so meeting on this point, so it will become second order. This second order and this is first order, so it also become second order. If stream is same order, then it will be increased by 1. So this is 1 and 1, this is same stream, so it will become second order, and this is 1 and this is 2, so it will be same. So this is second order. Now this is first order and this is second order, so again it will second order. This is first order and this is second order, so it will become again second order. Now this is first order and this is first order, so it will become second order. Now this is second order and this is second order, again same number, so it will be increased by 1, so it will become third order. Now this is third order stream and this is second order stream, so again it will become third order. So now let's start for calculating. First, what is asking? Drainage network of watershed, maximum observed bifurcation ratio. Maximum bifurcation ratio is asking. So first we have to calculate first order stream. First order stream. How many first order stream? So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is first order stream. Then how many second order stream? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is second order stream. Then how many third order stream? Third order stream is 1 and 2. So 2 is third order stream. Then what will bifurcation ratio? Bifurcation ratio means number of stream divided by number of stream plus 1. So if we calculate for first order stream bifurcation ratio, then we have to divided by 7. Then if we calculate this, we get 1.42. 1.42. This is a bifurcation ratio for first order stream. Then if we have to calculate bifurcation ratio for second order, then what we have to do? We have to do 7 by 2. This is 7 and this is divided by 2. So it will becomes 3.5. And for third order stream we can't calculate bifurcation ratio because there is no any fourth order stream is present. In this what is maximum bifurcation ratio? This is 3.5. 3.5 is greater than 1.42. So answer will become 3.5. 3.5 answer will become, means that is maximum observed bifurcation ratio is 3.5. So this is your answer. Thank you guys for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe.